students do check with me, what is the application timeline or when should I start with the process for this? So my answer to them is, by August or September, you should be in a position to do the shortlisting work, like understanding the universities and understanding the programs that is offered. So you will have to refer the Study in Sweden site for you to know about the programs offering, the university curriculums and other things. August or September is the actual timeline you will have to do this particular grounding work. So by September, you will be in a position to understand, okay, these are my set of universities that I'm planning to apply for, and these are the programs that I want to apply. So by October midweek onwards, the Sweden application gets started, the portal gets opened. So from October, and the deadline for the universities would be until January 15th. There is only one cut deadline for Sweden universities. You cannot apply with a multiple timeline unlike other countries. So January 15th is the international deadline for Sweden universities. Some students get stuck here. They will have a later grounding work done, and by the month of February, they'll come to me checking for me to apply for Sweden universities, telling me that March they have seen certain deadlines in March. The March deadline is only for European citizens or a candidate who does not want a international visa. So you can only rely for January 15th deadline. So from October until January 15th, it is the timeline for you to do the application processing. So in between the entry requirements, you will have to complete up with your English language proficiency. So doing up with your IELTS sometime by October or November is the right timeline for you to do with the process. Next thing is, between November and December, you will have to get ready with the documentation stuffs, because you will have to arrange for your SOP, LOAs, and again you have this grading scale certificate. So November, December, January, it is the timeline you will be working on the documentations and applying for the universities. So January 15th is the application punching deadline for you, and the application process is done through portal, which is universityadmissions.se. So this is the site wherein you will be processing your applications. Next thing is, between February and March, February is the documentations deadline for you. February 1st or 2nd, you will have to submit your entire documents to the Sweden portal. And March end or April 1st week is the timeline you will be getting your notifications from the universities. So April 1st week, you get your decisions. Then you decide to accept your offer. Between May and June, you will be processing your financial documentations and processing your residence permit application. June and July is the timeline you will be getting your visas approved. So by August next year, you will be traveling out of the country. So this is where I tell it is going to be a 1-year journey process for you. You start by this August and you get into the Sweden university by next August. The Sweden's application and admission journey, I have done an exhaustive video which is split into multiple parts. So please take your time in watching up the other segments too. And thanks for watching this particular video.